Welcome to my channel. If you are not new, welcome back. It's Ashley Michelle. I'm back with another install. As you can see, in today's hair is from BayLene hair. I'm going to give them the hugest thank you for sponsoring this video. So here I'm just showing you guys all that came in like the package. You give you the little lashes, they give you the wig caps, and they were new, so they is on trend. And it came with a little pamphlet about taking care of their hair, as well as the scarf you've seen in the beginning, and obviously the hair. So this is the hair, bleached and dyed and all of that stuff. And now I'm just showing y'all the cap construction. So 3 combs in the front, 1 in the back with an adjustable strap in there. And I said bleached and dyed, I mean like the knots are bleached and stuff. I don't bleach and dye hair no more. I'm done with that. So here you just saw me tint the lace with some makeup. And I need to change the shade of makeup that I use, but that's neither here nor there. It's already done. So this is a 13 by 4 22-inch water wave frontal unit from, as you saw already, BayLene hair. And y'all, this water wave was so freaking pretty. Like, it really gave me curl. Like, it was a wave, don't get me wrong, but it definitely gave me curly hair, and it was so freaking pretty. It was so pretty. Like, and I love the density of this wig. I don't know if it's 150 or 180, but the density of this wig was amazing. Like, I loved it. It really just gave nice, thick, curly hair, and I loved it. So here all you see me doing is tying the hair back so that I can just prep the hairline with my hot comb, just to make sure there's no more plucking I have to do, and I do have to do more plucking. And yeah. So you saw me cut off my ear tabs for both sides, and now I'm just going in and giving my hot comb, and I'm just pushing back the hairline some more, because I'm getting ready to like actually install this wig, and I want to make sure that no hairs are like in the way while I'm doing that. So I'm just going to take my hot comb and my clips, and I'm really just going to make sure all of that hair is out the way. Okay, so lately I have been finding the beauty in prepping before installing. So here you just see me mark where I want my wig to sit, and I'm also cleaning off my forehead with 91% alcohol. And before all of this, you saw with me like positioning my wig the right way. I don't know, I've just been very like, concerned with like prepping before I actually do stuff. But I'm taking my Bold Hold Extreme Cream. I'm in love with this stuff, and I'm just gonna do 3 layers. Obviously I'm gonna let them dry in between, and then we're gonna do our mushy mushy. Okay, while I have some time to talk about other stuff while I'm pushing this wig down, y'all, the quality of this hair was so amazing. Like, the hair itself was so soft. Like, I really like the quality of this hair. The lace was really good too. I could have did a little bit better job like sticking it down. It was really late, but I could have did a little bit of a better job like gluing it down on the sides. But this hair and this lace was really good, and I think it plucked so good. Like, I don't know, I feel like this pluck job on this wig was really cute. It got a lot to do with me, but yeah. And here I'm just taking my Got To Be sprayed it right in my eye. But I'm taking this and I'm just gonna put that on the hairline, to reinforce that glue and all of that stuff. And back to what I was saying about my sides, because I didn't put glue down there because I don't know, I was like being nervous about my sideburns. My sideburns come down pretty far, so I was being nervous about my sideburns because I didn't want to put glue there, But I'm gonna just have to stop that because I can't be having my side tabs lifting up. That's not cute. But you live and you learn. So after having a vibe session, I'm taking this elastic band off, and it just don't even sit there and tell me that it don't look good, because I know it do. It looks so good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go in and start razoring. Well, no, I think I cut this side. I don't know. I was trying to see what the big hoorah was about using scissors. Not saying that it's a big hoorah or nothing like that, but I just wanted to see like if scissors, I was just trying different stuff. And I just feel like the scissors gave me the exact same look the razor did, but it just took longer. And I was, ended up being not pissed, but I was just like, girl, let me get my razor. And I know y'all see that lightness. It is gonna go away. Yeah, if you watch me, then trusting the process is the best thing, because I'm not gonna get off this camera until I look good. Okay? If I still look a mess, we're gonna be sitting here all night. Okay, so here I'm just combing out like the hair. Like I said, don't even mind that white line, because it's gonna go away. If you watch me, it's going away. So here I'm just taking out my hairs from my baby hairs. And I feel like in every install video I've done, like recently, I talked about my baby hairs, but I don't care. I'm really proud of the way I'm just doing my baby hairs now. Like I feel like my baby hairs are evolving. And when I tell y'all, I'm super duper proud of myself, because I got a whole new method, a whole new like routine, all new products. Well, not new products to like the market, but new products that I'm using. And I literally love it. But I'm not going to talk through my baby hairs. If y'all want like a in-depth hour-long video on how I do my baby hairs now and all of that, and that's going to include, well, if I choose to do it, shaping, cutting, all that stuff. If y'all want it, let me know, but I'm not going to talk about it here. So I'm going to let y'all watch what I did leave in, and I'm going to see y'all in a second. Okay, but before we get into the baby hairs, y'all see I got myself together. So don't do me. So now I'm just taking my carrot care wax stick, and I'm gonna put that all over the front of the hair. I don't know if I'm gonna go in the part yet. I don't see it, but I'm gonna go all over the front of the hair, and I'm gonna just prep that with my hot comb, because y'all know I go over the front a couple times. I just like a nice silky looking flat front of a wig, Nothing beats that to me. So I'm gonna do that on both sides, and then I think I'm gonna go into my baby hairs. Okay, so now that I'm done my baby hairs, I'm gonna go into my part. And I don't know if y'all seen or like if y'all just noticed, but I went like a little bit back into where the tracks are because this is a 13x4. It's not a 13x6, but I'm living for a deep part, like, you know, because it looks the most natural. So like the 13x4 obviously don't look horrible. But like I said, the 13x6 or like just in general the deeper parts just give a better illusion. So what I went ahead and did after making sure that the top of my wig was flat, because you know I like big hair, but I don't know, I don't want it to look real wiggy and big at the top. It just, I don't know, I don't think it suits me. So I took my Kira Care wax stick, and now I'm taking my Sebastian shaper just to like seal it in, but I don't want a super duper hard hold. So I just use this because I know it's gonna hold, but it's still gonna be flexible. And yeah. So here I'm taking my concealer, and I went through the whole part, but at first I just went there, and you see how that is, like y'all can probably tell that I did it with concealer because y'all see me doing with concealer. But after I cleaned up them sides and all that stuff, look at that. It's just a deep part. And then I just went in and styling the hair, but I did that super duper fast because like this is not sped up. I couldn't even say that with a straight face. I just wet the hair with some water. That's it. And I was going to bed after this, so I didn't even bother to put mousse on it. But if you are, you know, going outside or you're styling your hair for real, then you know if you putting water on it, it's best to put mousse on it, or you're just gonna go outside dripping. And then that's not cute. You just want to get your clothes all wet. But I was just showing y'all like up close the pattern, and it was still dry in the middle right here, so I just went through and wet that too. But yeah, after this, y'all, I'm gonna be finished. That's one thing about curly or water wave hair, styling it is water, girl. Water if you want to, a little bit of cream, and you're done. But I'm gonna just take this time because after this, y'all gonna see me do a little style. I'm not gonna talk through that because it's just a little mini tutorial on side of the tutorial, a little bonus for y'all. But I'm gonna just say my thank yous right now. Thank you so much for watching it to the end. I love you. I love every single last one of y'all who stays to the end, even the people who don't, but they don't really get to hear that, do they? I feel like I haven't said that in the video in a minute, but y'all stay tuned for the next one.